I go for a ride. Sure, kid. Come in. I'm a mommy girl in a mommy world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can rub my hair and lift me everywhere.
This was hella gay, dude.
But that was him?
Yes.
Oh man, that's disgusting. I'm not trying to watch that.
No, go to Boom Boom Pow. Hey, Boom Boom Pow.
Hey, go to like someone else. Go to Lady Gaga or something.
Hey, he has Miley Cyrus though.
Do it.
Hey, what's his name?
What?
Wait a minute. Go. Never mind. It's all good.
Hello?
Are you watching?
Stupid. Lady Gaga poker face.
Yeah.
Oh, I could just imagine like, oh, can I get a poker face? Some shit like that. Oh god.
Hold on. Hey, Eugene, I'm gonna play the Boom Boom Pow
Go
one.
ahead. I already closed one.
No. Not that again, dude. Something else. Go to Lady
No,
Gaga.
it's hella funny. Hold on. Feels hella gay. What the fuck?
Hey, he has the balls though, at least to do this kind of stuff too. Hey, read the comments. They say he's so good.
What?
Read the comments. Look, it says, keep it up. You need to improve on some parts, but holy shit, it's good. I was like, what the hell?
This guy was like, nice dance moves. He is so gay. What the? Oh, here's another one. Oh, hell no.
Which one?
And he's gonna try to go Beyonce, Halo. What the fuck?
Wow.
Uh-oh. I'm not gonna lie, I wish we
Okay,
could
we're gonna
share
go
like videos like that on YouTube and just share it.
I know. Let's go to me. He's singing Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Do it. Which one?
Beat It.
Oh god.
Hold on. He has a lot. What
Beat
the hell?
it. No, mom wants to beat. Defeat it.
He's singing Eye of the Tiger.
Just press anyone, Kevin.
Oh. Alright, Michael Jackson it is. Hell no, ruining a classic.
Why would you turn this shit up?
Alan, critique it, critique it. It sounds good so far. Oh hell no, he's dancing. What the fuck?
Dog, he sounds like a little fucking 6-year-old girl, dude.
Yeah, I know. I was like, is that a girl?
That's so weird.
Oh hell no, he's singing Billie Jean in this one. Here we go. Hey Eugene, you gotta watch it. He's speaking in Tagalog. You gotta translate though.
You know what he's saying though.
Oh hell no! Did you hear what he just said? Dude, Alan, you gotta see what the hell this fucker's doing.
What is he doing?